Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fellowship Playtest crashes at a startup, crashing to desktop on PC. So without wasting a time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restart your PC. So simply restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, you can then launch the game and check. If that doesn't fix, then allow the arclauncher.exe in protection history. So when you launch the game, you might get the notification from the Windows Defender, and when you open that notification, it will open this protection history. Now expand this one, protection folder access blocked, and then look for the app or process blocked arclauncher.exe. If you see arclauncher.exe is blocked by the Windows Defender, then click on this action and then click on allow on device. Click yes to allow, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to run the arc3 installer silent.exe file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Fellowship Playtest, select manage browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now run this arc3 install silent.exe file, double click it, click on run, click yes to allow, select English or whatever language you want to select, then click OK. Now in my case it is already installed. In your case, if it is not installed, then run it and install it on your PC, and then you can launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then run easy anti-cheat EOS setup exe file as well. So go to the game installation folder, open the easy anti-cheat folder. Now double click easy anti-cheat EOS setup file, click on run. Even if you don't see anything running, just run this file and then you can launch the game and check. This has fixed the issue for many users, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 4 is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties. Now in launch options, type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. This has also worked for many players. In your case, if it is not working, then again go to properties. This time type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove the command, close the tab, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to run the game from the game installation folder, or run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So again go to Steam, right click on Fellowship Playtest, select manage browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now double click the Fellowship launcher and see if that works or not. If not, then double click Fellowship exe file and then check if it is working or not. If not, then right click on Fellowship exe file, select run as administrator and then check. If it's still not working, then go to Fellowship folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, double click on Fellowship Win64 shipping exe file and check if it is working or not. If not, then right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility tab, then tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then this time select run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. This has also solved the issue for many players. But still, if your problem is not solved, then untick all these boxes, hit apply, OK, then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6, Windows security users allow the game exe file to the control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection, scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection, click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder, open common folder, open Fellowship Playtest folder. Now select Fellowship exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, select Fellowship launcher and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps, select arc install silent exe file, click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, open Fellowship folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select Fellowship Win64 shipping exe file and click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game installation folder, open Fellowship Playtest folder. Now select all these 3 files one by one and add it to your firewall. So select Fellowship launcher, click open, add, make sure both private and public is tick marked, then again click on allow another app, browse, select arc install silent exe file, open, click on add, make sure both private and public is tick marked, again click on allow another app, browse, select Fellowship exe file, click open, click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse, open Fellowship folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select Fellowship Win64 shipping exe file, click open, then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked, then click OK to save changes. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program, launch the game and check, and later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, right click on Fellowship Playtest, select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of beta files, and after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to delete Fellowship Playtest saved game folder. Now you will lose all the saved game progress, so keep the backup of this folder to the desktop first. So open File Explorer, go to C drive, go to users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. If you don't see app data, then click on view, show, and check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open local folder. Now here you will see the Fellowship folder. Right click it, first copy it and paste it to desktop, and then right click on it and then select delete option to delete it. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to update your graphic card driver. So update your graphic card driver to the latest version and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft official website. Link is provided in the video description. And once you are on the website, scroll down. Download both x86 and x64 version. Download both the version. Now you have to install both x64 and x86 version. So first click on x64. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and then install it. Then click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and install it. And after installing both x86 and x64 version, you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 11 is to disable overlay. So open Steam, right click on the game, select properties, turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game, then disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 12, close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controller, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, click on Windows Update and then check for updates. And if you find any updates available, then download and install them and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So uninstall the Fellowship Playtest game from your PC, then restart your PC once, then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing to another external SSD drive and then you can launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to fix Fellowship Playtest crashing issue, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.